Hi dear students, in this session we are going to study about conductors and insulators. Based on the property of conductance of electricity, substances are classified into two types, namely conductors and insulators. Conductors and insulators are bad conductors of electricity. So here the electrons of different types of atoms have different degrees of freedom to move around. With some type of material, such as metals, the outermost electron in the atom loosely bound, they categorically move in the space between the atoms of that material. Because these virtually unbounded electrons are free to leave their respective atoms and float around the space between the adjacent atom, they are called often, which is called free electrons. So here that what is free electrons, which means the atoms are loosely bound in that atom of that materials. Then unbounded electrons to freely move in a random motions. That material in that metal, that electron is name is free electrons. So randomly in that space leave their respective atoms freely moving, that is called a free electrons. So here let us imagine we have metal in the form of wire. When a voltage is connected across the end of the metal wire, the free electrons drift in one directions. So the electrons drift in one directions. Here at the same time we can connect the potential or a battery. It will that the free electrons in randomly arranged in a manner. So really that good conductors is one that has lost of free charges, while those who don't have enough free charges would not be good at conducting electricity. We can say that would be a poor conductors of electricity. So here that about electricity. So here who don't have enough free charges, it not be a good conducting electricity, that is called a poor conductors of electricity. That's all. So again previously we are going to discuss about that what is electricity. So here that electric current, so we know that. So here that is electric current, the flow of electric charges. Current is represent I, that flow of charges with respect to time. So Q by T. So Q divided by T, time taken. So with respect to time, that flow of electric charges. So that is very important. So the flow of electric charges through the wire, conductors of and electrical devices. Even conductors and electrical devices, the flow of charges, electric charges அதான் electric current அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறோம். And then conventional current, here electric current they given. So what is a conventional current we have to take? In that we will consider this here, that negative charge. So negative end electrons will flow, and from the positive, that is conventional current. So here this is electron and this is a direction of current. So conventional current flows from positive to negative, and electric current from negative to positive. So the last, that is electric current is equal to I is equal to Q by T. Okay, conventional current and electrical current. So we can consider this area. This is the area of the conductor that crossing the charges, the flow of electric charges through the wire or in given area, that is electric current. Okay, that's all. Then water current versus electric current, that is analogy they given. So water current in a river and electric current in a wire. So higher potential to lower potential. ஸோ நமக்கு எப்படி வாட்டர் கரண்ட் வந்து நமக்கு ஹையர் எலிவேஷன்லேருந்து லோவர் எலிவேஷனுக்கு, ஹையர் எலிவேஷன் டு லோயர் எலிவேஷன், ரொம்ப ஒரு ஹைட்டான இடத்துலேருந்து அகைன் தட் லோவர் எலிவேஷன்ஸ்க்கு வாட்டர் ஃப்ளோ ஆகுது அப்படின்றது தான் வாட்டர் மாலிகுல்ஸ் ஃப்ளோ த டைரக்ஷன்ஸ். ஸோ ஹை டு லோ. ஸோ தே கிவன் இங்கேருந்து ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் இந்த மாதிரி ஹையிலேருந்து லோக்கு, lower elevations. So water molecules flows towards the point of lower elevations. And இங்கே நமக்கு வாட்டர் மாலிகுல்ஸ் எல்லாமே என்னென்னா ஈவன் இந்த லோவர் எலிவேஷனோட அந்த பாயிண்ட் டுவர்ட்ஸ் எ பாயிண்ட். ஸோ நமக்கு நார்மலாக இங்கே எலக்ட்ரிக் கரண்ட் வில் பாஸ் த்ரூ த ஹையர் வோல்டேஜ் டு லோவர் வோல்டேஜ். ஹியர் தே given. So the electric charge will flow the directions higher voltage to lower voltages. Electric charge flows towards a point lower voltage. Here நம்மளுக்கு charges வந்து it flow towards the lower voltage. Higher voltageலேருந்து lower voltageக்கு flow ஆகும். So that is water current and electric current. And as we know that electric circuit, open circuit and closed circuit. Open circuit, which is nothing but நமக்கு வந்து key வந்து which is open, that do not charges move in given conductors. But in a closed conductors, the electric current providing on uninterrupted endless path of flow of current. Uninterrupted endless path for flow of current. So in that closed current வந்து நம்மளுக்கு uninterrupted current வந்து ஆக்சுவலி என்னென்னா கரண்ட் வந்து ஃப்ளோ ஆகிட்டே இருக்கும் க்ளோஸ்டு சர்க்கியூட்டில். பட் ஓப்பன் சர்க்கியூட் அப்படின்றது an incomplete electrical circuit which is no current flows. And series and parallel circuit. So circuit series parallel, last class we discussed only. So one after next இப்படி கனெக்ட் பண்ணியிருந்தா that is nothing but நம்ம என்ன எடுத்துக்கிறோம் அப்படின்னா that is series circuit. And here this is one by one that connected, means first battery, then bulb, another one bulb. So that is parallel circuit. Okay, what is poor conductors? Everything we finish now. And conductors 2.6.1. Conductors are the material whose atoms have electrons that are loosely bound and are free to move through the material. A material that is good conductors gives very little resistance to flow of charges. Charge which is nothing but electrons on applications of external voltage. This flow of charges is what constitute an electric current. A good conductor has high electrical conductivity above activity. So here that conductors which is nothing but நமக்கு atoms வந்து என்னென்னா ஃபஸ்ட்டு வந்து that atoms are loose, electrons are loosely bound in an atom. ஸோ அப்படி உள்ள மெட்டீரியல்ஸ் எல்லாமே நம்ம என்னென்னு எடுத்துக்கிறோம் அப்படின்னா that is conductors. So conductors are the material whose atoms have electrons that are loosely bound. Okay, that is called conductors. And here இந்த கண்டக்டரில் வந்து நம்மளுக்கு we given to the potential, or we can give external voltage on applications of external voltage. So what will happen? The good conductors give very little resistance. So resistance ஓட வேல்யூ வந்து அதுக்கு கம்மியாக தான் போகுது. ஸோ very low resistance value is offered the conductors, or we can consider what we are taking that wire, that is conductors. Okay pa, then this is what this flow of charge, அதான் நம்மளுக்கு எலக்ட்ரிக் கரண்ட். இட் கான்ஸ்டிடியூட் electric current. A good conductors high electrical conductivity in above activity. So electrical conductivity, it will be high in the conductors. So conductors offer less resistance to electrons. So electrons வந்து ஈஸியாக மூவ் ஆகிறதுக்கு conductorsல that offer less resistance to move on electrons. In general, that more the free electrons, better that material will conduct. So next one is 2.6.2, that is insulator. So those material which do not have enough free electrons are not good at conducting electricity. We can say that would be a poor conductors and electricity. This is called insulators. And insulator which is give that very high resistance. நம்ம conductance அப்படின்றது that is very low resistance, and insulator which is give very high resistance. An insulator gives a lot of resistance to flow of charges. Insulator gives a lot of resistance to flow of charge. During the drift of electrons in an object, when an external voltage is applied, collisions occur between the free electrons and atoms of the material also affect the movement of charges. These collisions means that they get scattered. It is combination of the number of free electrons and how much they are scattered that affect how well the metals conduct electricity. The rubber eraser do not allow the electric current pass through it. So rubber is a non-conductor of electricity. Rubber is that is insulator, non-conductors of electricity. So in case here நமக்கு insulator, that is rubber, and wood, these are all the materials which is nothing but insulator. So most of the metals are good conductors of electricity, while most of the non-metals are poor conductors of electricity. So the wire is made up of copper. An electrical conductor have very low resistance. Even copper wire are used to carry the current in households. So we are using in the home appliances electrical wiring in at home. These wires are termed enclosed electrical insulators, or materials of high electrical resistance. These material are usually made up of flexible plastics. ஸோ நமக்கு இந்த காப்பரில் காப்பரில் நம்மளுக்கு இந்த ஒயர் வந்து என்னென்னா இட் ஹாவ் வெரி லோ ரெசிஸ்டன்ஸ். ஸோ டியூ டு திஸ் ரீசன் நம்மளுக்கு காப்பர் ஒயர் நம்ம வீட்டில் யூஸ் பண்ணுறோம், அண்ட் தென் இட் வில் ப்ரொவைட் தட் ஹை ரெசிஸ்டன்ஸ். The wire turned enclosed electrical insulator, high electrical resistance that enclosed in the electrical insulators. So these material are usually flexible plastic. ஸோ நமக்கு அந்த ஒயரை வந்து கவர் பண்ணுறது வந்து நம்மளுக்கு பிளாஸ்டிக்கில் இருக்கும். ஓகேப்பா. ஸோ the effect of electric current. So what are the effect of electric current? You perform many experiments with electricity in class 6. Already we learned only that bulb can be made to light up by making electricity flow through it. Electricity flow ஆகும்போது நமக்கு that bulb will glow, that and the light of the bulb is there's one of the effect of electricity. There are several other important effect of electricity. We shall study some 3 effect in this chapter. So there are 3 main effects of electricity. In that, first one is heating effect and magnetic effect, magnetism and chemical effect. So heating effect, magnetic effect and chemical effect. Magnetic effect, which is nothing but magnetism. So heating effect, when an electrical current passes through a wire, the electrical energy is converted to here that electrical energy is converted to heat, not in here. That electrical energy is converted to heat, not here. So electrical energy is converted to heat energy. Then heating appliances, the heating element is made up of material with a high melting point. An example of such a material, which is called, that is nichrome, an alloy of nickel and iron and chromium. Here that layer of electrical insulations, and another one is the insulated element is placed in a looped tube made up of Cook heat conductors. So actually how we can take this, that is heat conductors only. Then it is a looped tube made Cook heat conductor. And another one is here we can take that layer of electrical insulations. In that heating elements, nichrome is covered with a layer of electrical insulations. And this is the one of the heating devices material. In home appliances we have used this. So electrical energy is converted to heat energy. The heating effect of electric current has many practical applications. The electric bulb and Heiser iron box immersible water heater are based on this effect only. They are all working. And these appliances have heating coils of high resistance. The generation of heat due to electric current is known as heating effect of electricity. ஸோ ஆக்சுவலி கரண்ட்டுனால அதோட எஃபெக்டில் நம்மளுக்கு ஹீட் எனர்ஜி ஃபார்ம் ஆச்சு அப்படின்னா, விச் இஸ் நத்திங் பட் ஹீட்டிங் எஃபெக்ட் ஆஃப் எலக்ட்ரிசிட்டி. ஸோ எலக்ட்ரிசிட்டினால் நமக்கு ஹீட் வந்து ஜென்ரேஷன் ஆஃப் ஹீட் டியூ டு எலக்ட்ரிக் கரண்ட், that is nothing but a heating effect of electricity. Okay, the factors affecting heating effect of current. So what are the factors affecting heating effect of the current? First one is that is electric current, which is nothing but we have to take I, and resistance, that is nothing but R, and time for which current flows. So even that current flow through the conductor, electric current flow through the conductor, that what are the factors affecting heating effect of current. Okay, that last and final, electric fuse. So electric fuse அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறது, the electric fuse is a safety device which is used in household wiring and in many appliances. ஸோ நம்ம இந்த ஃப்யூஸ் வயர் அப்படின்றது நம்ம வீட்டில் உள்ள எல்லா ஹோம் அப்ளைன்சஸை வந்து ப்ரொடெக்ட் பண்ணுறதுக்காக நம்ம யூஸ் பண்ணுறது தான் எலக்ட்ரிக் ஃப்யூஸ். Electric fuse has a body made up of a ceramic and 2 points for connecting the fuse wire. The fuse wire metals whenever there is a overload of the current in a wire. This breaks the circuit and helps the preventing damages to costly appliances and do wiring. ஸோ வயரிங்கில் வந்து நம்மளுக்கு இந்த ஃப்யூஸ் வந்து நம்ம யூஸ் பண்ணுவோம். ஸோ டு ப்ரொடெக்ட் அண்ட் ப்ரிவென்டிங் டேமேஜ் டு காஸ்ட்லி அப்ளைன்சஸ். இன் எலக்ட்ரிக்கல் டிவைசஸ் எ கிளாஸ் ஃப்யூஸ் இஸ் ஆஃபன் யூஸ்ட். நம்ம எலக்ட்ரிக்கல் டிவைசஸில் நம்ம ஃப்யூஸ் அப்படின்றது நம்மளுக்கு ஒரு கிளாஸ் ஃப்யூஸுன்னு நம்ம யூஸ் பண்ணுவோம். திஸ் இஸ் ஸ்மால் கிளாஸ் டியூப் which is lies the fuse wire. அந்த ஃப்யூஸ் வயரில் இருந்து அந்த கிளாஸ் டியூப்புக்குள்ளே வந்து நம்மளுக்கு ஒரு ஃப்யூஸ் வயர் இருக்கும். தட் இஸ் காப்பர் ஒயர், தட் இஸ் ஸ்மால் ஒயர். அந்த ஒயர் தான் நம்மளுக்கு என்ன அப்படின்னா ப்ரொடெக்ட் பண்ணும். ஸோ நார்மலாக இதுதான் நம்மளுக்கு அந்த எலக்ட்ரிக்கல் கிளாஸ் டியூப். ஸோ ஸ்மால் கிளாஸ் டியூப் அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறது திஸ் இஸ் நத்திங் பட் ஃப்யூஸ். அண்ட் நார்மலி மீட்டர் பாக்ஸ் we have used this fuse. Okay, so that is nothing but நமக்கு fuse and remaining some parts only, some questions only, then we will discuss the next class. So about from the beginning fully how to recapitulate that all the concept everything. So first, what is conductors and insulators, and how can we classify this, and what are the examples of conductors and insulators, that what are the definitions. And here they given that the effect of electric current. Okay, and another one is here that home appliances materials, or we can that electrical energy is converted to heat energy. So the last one, factors affecting heating effect of electric current and fuse. So thank you students, keep watching. Thank you.